System configuration. In this chapter, we will learn how to set general parameters of the system. In the general settings, you can set the device name and number, set the language of the local interface, set the video format to PAL and TSC, which will require the system to reboot. You can also set the main display resolution. The device will automatically set the resolution when you turn on the device for the first time. If only VGA monitor is connected, the resolution will be set automatically to 1280 by 1024. If an HDMI monitor is connected, the resolution will be set automatically to 1920 by 1080. If both VGA and HDMI monitors are connected, the HDMI will be the primary monitor and the resolution will be set to 1920 by 1080. In such case, you will have to reduce the resolution manually in case the VGA monitor is not working well. Once the resolution has been set manually, the auto configuration is disabled. Note that your screen must support the chosen resolution. After manually changing the resolution, a confirmation window will pop up. Failing to confirm will revert the resolution to its prior settings. Next is Enable Wizard. Ticking it will cause the configuration wizard to pop up on each startup of the system. Tick Login automatically if you wish the system not to request a login password. It will be active until you will manually log out. Tick Log Out automatically and set the logout time so the system log out of the system after the configured time duration. Log in and log out automatically cannot be active together. App Live Self-Adaptation is used for the Provision-Cam 2 mobile app. Disabling it will prevent the app from making any changes to the main substream resolutions. This will result in better performance on CMS and third-party applications at the expense of lower performance from the app side. Next setting is Date and Time. Set the system time, date format, and time zone of the device. If the selected time zone includes DST, the DST of the time zone will be marked by default. You can manually set the system time or synchronize system time with network through NTP. You will find it under Auto Time Sync. The default is manual, which means that the device's time will be set manually. Change it to NTP so the time will automatically be synchronized from the time server. Note that the device must have an active internet connection for this feature to work. Next is the layout settings. Here you will be able to configure the layout of cameras and split views for sequence view. Click on the plus button and choose the screen layout. Afterwards, drag the required cameras to the split windows. In DVR devices, you will be able to configure Monitor 2 in this interface as well. This will be used in case you choose Spot for the CVBS output. The only split choice for Spot is single channel. Add as many windows as you wish. Set the dwell time and drag the required camera to the window. Note that not filling the cameras to the windows will result in empty view in live sequence view. Now that we are done with the basic section, we will continue to the maintenance section. First is the log. Set the type of events you wish to search for. Click on the clock icon and set the start and end time for the search. Once done, click on Search. After finding the log entries you search, you can export it by clicking on Export. Next is Factory Default. It is used to restore the device to factory default. After confirmation, the device will reboot. All configurations will revert to default. All information stored on the hard drive will not be lost. Upgrade is used to locally upgrade the device's firmware. Before upgrading, download the correct update file from Provision ISR's website. The file extension for Osaya OS devices is .tar.gz. Any other file extension will not be recognized by the system. The upgrade steps are as follows. Copy the upgrade software into the USB storage device formatted to FAT32. Insert the USB storage device into the USB slot of the MVR. Go to the upgrade interface. Select the USB device in the device name drop-down list and navigate to the path where the upgrade file exists. Select the upgrade software file and click Upgrade. The system will automatically restart during the upgrade process. Do not power off the device during upgrading. Next is the Backup and Restore interface. You can back up the whole configuration of the device by exporting the file to an external storage device. You can recover the configuration to other devices from the same model as the origin device by importing the configuration file to other devices. To export the configuration file, insert a USB storage device formatted to FAT32 file system. Select the USB device under device name, then go navigate the path where you want to store the configuration backup file. You can create a new folder if required. Click Backup, set the file name and click OK to confirm. To import a configuration file, insert a USB storage device containing a configuration file. The configuration file must be from the same model and firmware version as the exporting device. Select the USB device under device name. Navigate and find the configuration backup file and click Recover. Click OK to confirm. The system will reboot automatically and boot up with the restored configuration. Now we will continue to auto maintenance. It is used for rebooting the device in specified times. By doing so, you will ensure that the memory, buffers, and cache memory are always cleared and defragged. To configure it, tick Enable, set the day's interval, and the point of time during that day. It is highly advisable to choose a time where there is less chance for an incident to occur. During the auto maintenance procedure, the device will reboot, so recording will not be available. Click Apply. The next reboot date and time will appear in the interface. The last section is System Information. You will have here all the information as it appears in the Live View interface. Please go to the Live View chapter to learn more about this interface. This finalizes the system configuration.